peanut butter, kape. Oh, that was creamy peanut butter. What's going on, my good people, man? This is your main boy. Feels like forever since I last posted something, but there's a lot of happenings. Enjoying summer, less restriction, but more an outside in natures, and trek with the family and all that stuff, man. But I'm so damn excited about things. See, I'm a cyclist. I've been riding for quite some time, and I was getting back into riding a lot. I miss it so much, so I was riding, a lot of riding. My Garmin 810 has had a series of batteries running out real quick, so I figured time to get a new Garmin. But I was like, this thing is amazing. I don't need a computer, just tethered it with your Bluetooth phone, and voila, you can post your rides and all that stuff. Got a battery. I'm gonna show you guys how to replace this sucker and save yourself some hundreds of dollars instead of, you know, getting a new one. 13 bucks, high capacity, better capacity than the original one. Figured that would be the better option. Show you how to do it. But one thing, man, I'm gonna start this memory because me and my wife decided to dip into the floating world. Floating world. Guess what? We purchased one wheel. The one wheel, you know, a skateboard with the big round thing in the middle. Man, I've been eyeing in that thing for like more than a year now. I was really saving up for a titanium gravel bike, but since I was riding now a lot more than a couple of years, I realized that my mountain bike and my carbon road bike still is a lot of fun. So fun is that we're picking up this pizza in downtown Baltimore, and I showed my wife, like, hey, I've been eyeing in this thing. I was originally looking for electric scooters, but I was like, you know what? Maybe this is not the right time yet. When I showed her the one wheel, man, it's a wrap. It's a wrap. So I ordered it a couple of days ago. It's going to be what? It's only Wednesday here, and it's gonna arrive this Saturday. No, not arrive. It's gonna be shipped out this Saturday. So most likely next week, but this is the waiting game. We got the one wheel pint, so I'm excited about that. Be shredding, we'll be floating, man. Gravel, sand, grass, trail. I'm not gonna go all out like crazy, but we're going to be projects and all that stuff, man. We're gonna start like a vlog session for the one wheel, and we can like vlog and go outside and, you know, maybe showcase a better outlook of summer and outdoorsy things, like what we've been saying, outdoorsy things. Yes, but yeah, that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna keep posted in it. I already got some gears, man. I already got some gears, like, you know, those elbow pads, those wrist guards that has like a plastic. Got some, you know, we broke both of our femurs, so I gotta wear that knee pads, especially in the practice session. But that's what we're gonna do. So what I like to do is unpacking the package first, just to make sure, you know, everything's set. Basically, we're gonna remove the case that came out with that Edge 10, and there's a couple of screws in the back, so, you know, this case is amazing. It's the smallest Torx, I believe, although I got a set. I don't know the number in here, but the smallest, guys. 6 screws in the back. That's what we're gonna use it for. Unscrew all those 6. There's a little pin once you remove that one. Be careful of that ribbon. Kindly remove it properly. You don't want to damage it. Use a thong, use whatever necessary to remove it properly. Now there's 2 screws holding it in there. Remove those 2 screws, and basically you are free after you remove that one. I like to remove the LCD and popped it out. Voila, you see the battery.
Now, what you want to do is you want to confirm that it's a proper batteries and connection before you do go further on the farther step. You don't mess that up. Moving on, the old battery got a glue in the back. Be very careful of removing it because it's tethered on a ribbon. There's a wire in it. You can see the wire that's for the beeping, the sound. So behind the battery, there's like adhesive in it. Be very careful not to trip or destroy it. You installed the new battery and basically redo all the steps that you just did, and that would be the final step. I like to turn it on just to confirm that it's working before closing it up completely.
So basically that's how you fix the batteries. We confirm again that we are hooked up on the Bluetooth, and also it's connected to our application. See that dot on the top? Yeah, we're connected. So this is good to go. $13 total investment, and you don't need to buy a new one. Also, guys, appreciate you voting for a Roadcast. The entry for the competition for the Roadcast was ended yesterday. So for all those who voted, thank you so much. Who knows if we're gonna make it, but it is what it is, and it was a fun experience at all. Awesome. One Wheel is going to be part of the floating team. I'm excited about it. We are going to shred in the sand, in the pavement, in asphalt, in grass, in the trails, and it's going to be a dream come true, man. But thanks for watching, guys. Always remember, God is good all the time. Peace out.